Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing great. I welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. Today's recipe is Sambar Premix. To prepare it, take 4 cups of tur dal, 1 cup of masoor dal, 1 cup of chana dal, half a cup of urad dal, half a cup of raw rice. Wash all of them thoroughly 3 to 4 times. Then dry roast them on a low heat until all moisture is removed. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, dry roast 2 cups of fresh coconut pieces. I'm using the same cup that I used it to measure the pulses. 10 to 12 Kashmiri red chilies just to add some color, and 10 to 12 normal dry red chilies for the spice. On a low flame, just dry roast them. Add 3/4 cup of shallots, half a cup of tamarind, and 1/4 cup of asafoetida, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Don't add so much fenugreek seeds, otherwise it will make the sambar bitter. Will make it bitter. With the same cup, I am using 2 cups of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 8 to 9 garlic pods, removing the skin, and some curry leaves. Again, very few curry leaves, and some salt. Salt will act as a preservative, so I'm adding the salt as well, and 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. Now jaggery powder I'm adding here to just enhance the taste. Don't add too much. Even salt also, we are using the salt just to preserve it. You have to dry roast them on a low flame. Once it's cool, grind them into a fine powder along with the roasted lentils, the pulses. This powder can be stored outside the fridge for up to like 2 months or longer if it's in the fridge. Since I'm using shallots, garlic and coconut, if you're keeping it outside, then as I said, only 2 months. The quantity here I've made can be used to prepare sambar like 4 to 5 times for 4 people. Now let's make sambar using this premix. I will show you how to make sambar with the premix powder. Soak 4 to 5 tablespoons of the premix powder in hot water, just 5-10 minutes, that's it. If you don't have enough time, you can directly also use it. Heat some oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, some cumin. When they start spluttering, add 3 to 4 green chilies and some dry red chilies as well, some shallots and onions, and some curry leaves, followed by your favorite vegetables, whatever vegetables are available at your end, or whatever you like according to your choice. I'm using here drumstick, beans, some bottle gourd and tomato. Add all the vegetables one by one, depending on their cooking time. One after the other, you can add all the vegetables. Add some salt and the turmeric powder. That will help cook the vegetables in no time. I'm also adding here some red chili powder. If I feel it's needed, hence I'm adding more red chili powder. But if you think sambar premix has enough spice, then you don't have to add it. It's completely uh, one's personal choice and taste. Add all the vegetables one by one, according to their cooking time, and mix it well. Here I have added some pumpkin along with some cluster beans and brinjal as well. Once the vegetables are 30% cooked, then you can add the soaked premix powder with some water and adjust the consistency. Since the pan is too small to cook the sambar, I've transferred it to a larger deeper vessel. Well, here is a tip, guys. Check the seasonings and add salt, jaggery powder, or other adjustments as needed. As in fact, I also added some salt and jaggery powder here when I felt it's less. The tip is add water once to achieve the desired consistency and let it cook on like low heat for about an hour. This will allow the vegetables to absorb all the flavors. The main key tip is to avoid adding water in between. Remember that don't add water in between. As I said, once for all, just add the water and leave it for an hour on a low flame. This sambar premix eliminates the need for store-bought powder packets, the ready-made powder packets. As it cooks, your home will be filled with a delicious, authentic sambar aroma. Trust me. And the taste will be heavenly. I'm sure everyone will ask for the masala recipe. And if you really like this recipe, please comment in the comment section below, and if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Guys, I have already uploaded a sambar recipe on my channel. If you have seen that video, you must have noticed how much hard work it has. Like, you have to cook the lentils, make a special masala for that. Here the premix will help you to avoid all those hassles. You just have to saute the vegetables, add the premix powder, add water, cook it. In an hour's time your sambar will be ready. That's it, guys. Please try and do let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video.